Hi guys, welcome back to Robbie D's Kitchen. I'm Robin and today I'm gonna be making some double chocolate cake coconut stuffed cookies. So let's get into the video. First, I'm gonna start off by adding my unsweetened coconut to a bowl with some sweet condensed milk and a little bit of almond extract. And I'm just going to be adjusting that. You want a firm type of mixture so it can form into a ball because you're going to be making these into balls. Kind of just eyeball that, but I will definitely have some measurements for you guys down below because as you can see, my balls are pretty big. So if you want the coconut to only be in the inside and not show on the outside of the cookies, I would recommend that you make them a dime size. I'm placing these on a baking sheet on parchment paper because I did freeze them overnight. That didn't really do much to it. They weren't as hard as I thought they were going to be. So I would say maybe a couple hours would be fine. Now I'm going to make my cookie batter. So I'm starting with my cacao powder, my flour, my rising elements, and salt. Just all the dry ingredients first. And I'm just gonna mix that around until it's well combined and set it to the side. Now I'm gonna be creaming my butter and sugar together. You want to make sure that your butter is at room temperature. It's nice and soft. And I will be using two types of sugar, granulated white and brown sugar. Now once that's creamed together and pretty much incorporated, I will be adding 1 egg to that, as well as some almond extract. You can use vanilla if you want, but I was going for a chocolate coconut almond type of vibe. And then I'm just gonna keep mixing that. You don't want to over mix it, but you just want to mix it until it's combined and scrape down the sides as necessary. And I also added a tablespoon of heavy cream. Now I'm just incorporating the dry ingredients. Now I used heavy cream because it's what I had. I did like the flavor it gave the cookies, well, the cake cookie, but you can just use regular milk if you want. Now I noticed that my cookie batter wasn't coming together. It was still a lot crumbly. I did decide to go ahead and add some more heavy cream. I will have some measurements down below, but I would suggest that you do it this way if you find that your cookie batter isn't coming together. I just kept adding a little bit at a time until it started to come together. As you can see, you want that kind of thick dough-like consistency. You don't want it to be too moist though. Once it came together, I went ahead and added my chocolate chips. It is a mixture of semi-sweet and dark chocolate chips. After the cookie dough chilled in the fridge, I'm now gonna assemble everything. So I take a little bit of cookie dough, some of the coconut mixture that I freezed overnight, and some more cookie dough on top. Now you can see the coconut is kind of pushing out a bit. Like I said, if you want the coconut to only be on the inside and not show on the outside, you do want to make dime size coconut cream filling pieces. And now I'm just gonna roll that together and place it on the parchment sheet. So here's another demonstration in normal speed for you guys. So I did end up kind of picking pieces off of the coconut, like breaking the ball in half just because the ball was too big. So again, some cookie dough, the coconut cream, and then more cookie dough. Form it into a ball and roll it in the palm of your hand until it forms a nice cookie. Now, my cookies were really big, some of them, so if you want smaller cookies, I would suggest that you don't use as much cookie dough. Because my cookies were kind of big, I did do 6 per baking sheet. So I just popped those in the oven. Now I'm just gonna work on the other 6. Now I'm just gonna be repeating that same method again, cookie dough, coconut cream cookie dough. So here are the cookies all done. They were way better than I expected them to be. They were like a cakey cookie, coconut cream stuffed type of cookie. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.